Blooket is a new twist to an old favorite. If you love Quizlet, then you're about to be really excited. Let's start by logging in. I recommend selecting Login with Google and pick your account. This is going to bring you to your dashboard, and in the upper corner, you'll see Create as a square with a pencil. You can add the title that you desire for your game, leave it on public so your students can find it, and here's the beauty of this site. Click Quizlet Import and create your set. This is going to allow you to pick your Quizlet. Click on the one that you would like to use. I'm going to select World History. And underneath the cards, it is going to have 3 little dots. By hovering over these dots, I can select Export. Everything is already pre-selected for me. I just need to click Copy Text. When I return to Blooket, I can click Next Step. This shows me all the reminders in case I forget what to click while in Quizlet. And I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste my questions in. Click Add Questions and Save Set. And you now have 12 different games that you and your students can play together to review the content for your course. Before y'all go, make sure you check out the comments below for additional resources and 2 different ways to link it to your Canvas account. Y'all have a good week.